Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising lesson number 3, the story of the 4 seasons. So children, please take out page number 34. So let us see the remaining part of the lesson. Hello everyone. We are meeting today to discuss a problem. It is becoming hotter and hotter. Everything is drying up. Can anybody think of a way out? So the bear said to the animals as they gathered here for a meeting to discuss a problem that they are facing, problem regarding the food and nothing to drink. Alright, now let us see what they decide. So the bear is asking to the remaining animals that do they have any solution of this problem? Everything is drying up and it is becoming hotter and hotter. Then rabbit said, all of us are feeling so unwell. Then owl said, what can we do? Then polar bear had an idea. So what polar bear said? Let us go to Skyland and meet the old woman who lives there. She is very wise. She will be able to help us. Now what polar bear said? Polar bear said that we will go to Skyland to meet the old woman. She lives there and she is very clever. She is very wise. Wise is nothing but clever. And she will help us. Then, this sounds like a good idea. But how will we get to Skyland? The rabbit said. Yeah, it's a good idea, but how do we go there? Then the fox said, I know the way. We must take the shining road. The fox said that I know the way. We have to go through the shining road. Then owl said, dare said, fine. Let us set off tomorrow morning. Now they planned that they have to go to Skyland tomorrow morning. Now all the animals met early the next morning and started walking towards Skyland. As you can see here, they are moving to the Skyland through the shining road. They followed the shining road that went to the edge of the sea and then high up into the sky. Now as you can see here, they are moving on the edge of the sea and then they went to the high sky. Then come, walk faster, fox said to all the animals. Then, yes, we have reached Skyland. Look, that must be the house of Sky Woman. Now the eagle said, see, we have reached to the Skyland. Maybe this is the house of a Sky Woman. Now, then Sky Woman, are you home? Owl said. Then, please help us. We have come from the earth. The two animals said to the Sky Woman. Then, Sky Woman came out, opened the door and said, how can I help you? Then, they said, the earth is very hot and dry. The sun shines brightly all day long. There is no water to drink. There is dust all around. There is no cool, fresh air to breathe. And there is only dry grass to eat. So can you please help us? They said to Sky Woman. Then Sky Woman went into her house and returned with 3 small bags. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 bags that was given by the Sky Woman. She gave 1 bag to Polar Bear, 1 bag to Polar Bear, 1 bag to Owl and 1 bag to Rabbit. Okay, next, these will help you. Open these bags only after you reach the earth. Sky Woman said to these animals that you have to open these bags only after reaching the earth. Then they said, thank you for helping us, Sky Woman. They felt very happy and they went to the earth. So remaining part of the lesson we will be seeing in the next video. Alright. So what happened here? They arranged a meeting to discuss the problem. Then finally they came to an idea that we have to go to the Skyland to meet the old woman so that she can help us. Then they started moving through the shining road and went to the Skyland. So Sky Woman gave 3 bags that should be opened only after reaching the earth. Then they said thank you and went to the earth. Alright, so till here we will stop, children. So please go through the reading practice. That's all for today. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.